Add a little bit of oil to my and if you keep bananas in water, it will make it a little bit easier to peel. So I'm gonna cut those off, cut both ends off. Then I'm just gonna score the banana. Sometimes I do it a couple of times. In the water, just kind of peel back with your finger. Now you'll see a lot of people, they boil the banana in the skin and then take the skin off. I like to take the skin off my banana first and then boil it without the skin. I mean, either way it's fine.